Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download Spotify on Windows. Now, I'm currently on the home page. I'm not actually logged in. You'll see this option right here that says download. You can go ahead and click on this. It will open this up in a new tab. If you're already logged in, let me show you what you need to go ahead and do. So let's say you're logged in, right? All you needed to do is come to this page, right? Your login page. And then you just need to click on install app. Okay, so when I click on this, we have this window panel popping up. So you can either download it from the Microsoft Store or download it directly from Spotify. And click on that and bring it to this page. Now, on this page, you want to click on download it directly from Spotify. Okay, just go ahead and click on this option, right? So we'll just wait for Spotify now to initialize. And now, as you can see, we have the Spotify setup downloaded. Okay. And once this is done, we're going to launch the Spotify setup. Okay. We'll go ahead and do that. All right. There we go. So we'll go ahead and launch that. Okay. So now it's downloading a Spotify from the Spotify installer. So we just wait for that to be done. Just takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. There you go. Once it's done downloading Spotify, it'll start installing it into your Windows PC. Okay, just give it a few minutes. There we go. It took about 40 seconds, I would say. I mean, it depends on your computer speed. And there you go. The application has been installed on my Windows PC, and I can come here and just log in, right? It will redirect you to your browser. We can go ahead and authorize the app. There you go. Authentication complete. So I'll open up my Spotify app. As just initializing will allow access. Remember to do this, otherwise it's not going to work because Windows Defender is trying to block some of the features. Just allow the access. It's completely fine. And there we go, guys. We have access to Spotify. It's really that easy and simple.